It is New Year's Day, and you know what that means? Time to clean out the fridge. We all gather all of this stuff, leftovers, everything just needs to go. Fresh start. Nothing's better than a clean fridge. I wiped everything down. Oh, look at, my husband already put stuff back in the wrong place. This is leftovers that we're finishing up. But the rest of it, it is all clean, all neat and organized, ready for the new year. Take this as your sign to go clean out your fridge. I'm embarrassed to show you what I got rid of.